Hello Biafrans and lovers of freedom across the globe. Breaking. Legal team visits Mazi Nnamdi Kanu in Sokoto. He remains resolute amid judicial misconduct. Chief Maxwell Opara delivers a powerful update following their visit to Mazi Nnamdi Kanu at the Medium Correctional Centre in Sokoto. Despite the injustice and intimidation, Kanu remains spiritually grounded and strategically focused. Lovers of freedom, this is a direct update from Chief Maxwell Opara, who visited Mazi Nnamdi Kanu in Sokoto alongside Prince Emmanuel Kanu. Kanu remains spiritually strong, fully aware that the path to freedom is paved with intimidation, arbitrary rulings, and media distortion. He urges supporters to ignore sponsored social media distractions and await the full certified record of proceedings, which will expose the judicial misconduct behind the recent judgment. Key points from the update. Kanu never fired his legal team. The disengagement was mutual and strategic. The judge ignored exhibits and motions, yet referenced them in his ruling. The full analysis will be released soon, allowing the public to judge for themselves. The Court of Appeal is expected to overturn the ruling, which was driven by anger and hatred, not law. Stay focused. Stay united. The truth will be revealed. Subscribe for diaspora resistance, justice advocacy, and legal accountability. This marks a pivotal moment in the global stance against both the Nigeria shrine of injustice and Christian genocide. All right, time to watch and listen to Barrister Maxwell Opara from Mazi Nnamdi Kanu's legal team. Stay tuned.
My people, this is Sokoto. I've been in this town for since 2 days now. Today is the 23rd day of November. I came to see Mazi Nnamdi Kanu. I have been with him since yesterday, so we have been discussing. So he's in Sokoto Correctional Centre here, and what we are asking now is this: somebody whose appeal is in Abuja, and they're putting him in Sokoto. And if you want to file some processes, would the federal government made a private jet available for him to take him to Abuja? After filing his process, they take him back. So that is another issue that is giving us concern, because the place of jurisdiction where he's going to do his appeal is in Abuja, and it's on record that all the filings that he has been doing it by himself in Court of Appeal Abuja Division. So there are some things that he needed to file there, including affidavit. He cannot do it. Everybody is frustrated. We are handicapped. So we are now looking for the next line of action on what to do. But meanwhile, at least for the first time, at least I have seen him. He's to confirm that he's in a Sokoto prison here. So I will be leaving to Abuja now. Then thereafter, I'll keep you people updated. Thanks and God bless you. Well done.
You've just heard a message that echoes the cries of the oppressed and the resolve of the free. At Biafra Battle Cry TV, we stand firm in amplifying voices that challenge tyranny and defend humanity. Stay vigilant, stay united, and never stop speaking truth to power. Until next time, keep the fire of freedom burning.